time. Shawty wanna do it in the night.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're hitting Slammedenuff Myrtle Beach. This should be pretty insane. Slammedenuff Charleston was the first ever import show that I actually went to, and I had so much fun. So it's gonna be lit today. But definitely check out my last video right here in the cars. This is some sick F12 action on some GTR, spitting some flames, and you know what I'm saying, two-stepping that bastard. It was pretty sick though. But yo, let's hit the road. Honestly, one of the cleanest Widebody 300 ZXs I have ever seen. And I mean, I love that paint, man. It's definitely giving me Fast and Furious vibes. And then we got a sexy ass NSX. I believe this is the homie Jeremy's. Absolutely crazy. We see him everywhere that we go. Upon entry, we got a little Widebody Hellcat with the carbon fiber oval fenders. Looking insane. Of course, take a look at this EcoBoost Mustang. No stranger to clean culture. And then, I mean, we got some Audi boys coming in. Am I looking at a Q60 or a G37? Regardless, man, I'm loving this build. Carbon fiber all underneath the engine bay. Absolutely insane. And then a Q50. Oh my, man. We got some sick whips over here, guys. We got some sick whips coming on down, representing the Focus gang right here in this ST. Loving the aftermarket headlights, of course. This Civic is insane though, my guys. Look at that hood. Look at the headlights. The wide body on it too. Mustang boys, of course, representing the crowd killer gang, but he's got some fat ass tires in the rear. And of course, you know, we have to appreciate this sick ass satin dark blue C8 Corvette right here. Z51 boys. Not only was it featured at SEMA and it's fancy as hell with lots of carbon fiber, but it is here at Slammedenuff in Myrtle Beach, which is just absolutely insane. I mean, look at the engine bay, yo. Carbon fiber everywhere. Widebody 86 FRS BRZ. Not gonna lie, that front end is giving me a little bit of Aston Martin Vantage vibes. And then we've got our first Supra of the day. Oh my. This thing actually reminds me of my boy Thick Whip's one. It's pretty damn sick though. Stancy, he's got a little bit of baggage that he's carrying, and I love the wing too, man. Yeah, that's a crazy build, man. I just have to say that the whips here are absolutely crazy. Not a big Honda fan, even though it was my first car, an 04 Civic, but this thing I can definitely get behind, bro. Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta, dog. You can't tell me that doesn't look amazing. But let me know what you guys think of this Eclipse. It's absolutely crazy. We got some over fenders working here. I'm liking the color on it too, man. And he's got a roll cage on the interior. Wow. Look at that design, bro. That's insane. Actually, yeah, no, I'm a big fan of this build. But we've got some more colorful whips coming down the line, people. Lots of camber in the rear there. Another Supra, sitting pretty. And then an RX-8, which is absolutely crazy with the camera, man. Like full-on drift. Or are we talking show car here? And then we got a homie Gregory's Q60, and I mean, dude, this thing spits some mad flames. Hopefully I can get to show you guys some of that tonight. But we got some more whips, people, you know what I'm saying? Mustang boys, a little wide body over fender gang. Of course, Mitsubishi boys. Then of course we got a homie Ruben L's GTR. This thing is absolutely crazy. Wide-bodied, whole 9 yards. And I mean, he keeps on outdoing himself because everything this man has done to this car, he did it himself, which is insane. I mean, even take a look at this thing. That's crazy, dude. That's insane. You said it took you 2 weeks to get that done?
2 weeks to make that, yep.
Oh my goodness, dude. See, like, Oh, dude, I wouldn't even know where to start with that. But we got some more sick whips, yo. I mean, look at this thing, dog. Twin turbo. Absolutely crazy in this Beetle, man. It doesn't even look street legal, but that thing is wild. Honestly, though, one of my favorite wraps in this entire show. I mean, we got the sunflowers coming out, and it's like matte black, bro. Oh my gosh, this thing is insane. But the whips don't stop there, people. I mean, even take a look at this G37. We got a WRX sitting pretty nice and stancy. Campbell out, whole 9 yards, bro. This man has like a little marble wrap in his Beamer. I mean, I'm liking it, dog. 3 series, boys. But we got some more sick whips coming down. You guys know I'm such a huge fan of purple. I mean, if you couldn't tell by the focus. But I mean, Coyote swapped, Whipple, supercharged. Focus right here, man. Run it out, brother. Woo! Absolutely insane. Get a load of that engine bay and feel it just as I am. And then we got some more Stancy Bills looking nice in this yin and yang. But then we got a Homies F80 M3, one of my favorites in the Nardo Gray. And I mean, peep the wheels on that too, man. It complements it so well. Another BMW sitting right next to it, nice and pretty. But I mean, you gotta respect the Evos, dog. That's absolutely wild, sir. We've got another Widebody Z34. Absolutely crazy, man. Look at this thing. Yeah, that's wild, sir. Well, we got some more sick whips. Damn, this Jenny is so damn sexy. I hope it's a 3.8, but it doesn't matter if it's a 2-point slow either, because this thing still looks sexy as hell, man. Widebody Civic. Oh my goodness, dog. Thing looks like a damn transformer. It's giving me Gundam vibes too. The red and the gold, the honey mustard and the ketchup. Come on, guys, that thing is amazing. But I'm gonna be honest, I am a big fan of this Veloster right here, man. I mean, with the freaking carbon fiber everywhere. Come on, guys, come on, carbon fibers, dude. This is a little turtle, dog. But it's sick as hell, man. And we got Jenny Zona, one of my favorite Jennies as well, but she went wide body. I'm loving it. That's so damn dope. But you have to appreciate a lady-driven Evo. Absolutely crazy, man. Sitting right next to a Q60, looking pretty. And we got some wide-body GTIs, of course, some more Lexus boys coming down, and some more whips. I mean, this is Slammedenuff. Damn near everything in this bastard is either slammed or cambered out and slammed as well. TunerGodz Evo coming in hot. This thing is crazy. And then of course some more Subis coming down. Freaking Z34 right here. Oh my gosh, guys. You know, I love these whips, honestly, man. Honestly. Freaking 370s. Oh my god, bro. But then an E36. Beamer sitting pretty nice and stancy. And then a Mercedes that I have to be honest, I have no idea what this thing is. But I can tell you, I do enjoy it. First R33 of the day with a little bit of camber in the rear, but then we also have another G37, and then this satin blue, kind of color shifty Subi right here. WRX boys, of course, that thing is so pretty to look at. And my favorite Q60, honestly, great value GTR. I love this thing, man. He was at a clean exhibition in Dirty Myrtle too. Little Fiesta sitting pretty, looking crazy with the stance and the camber, but then Pete the Supra as well, man. Loving the color shift on that, man. But we got some more sick whips, one of my favorite Z's that I've ever seen, and she's giving away free Red Bulls, the Peach Edition. You know I need this though. I do. Then of course we got another Jenny, absolutely crazy in that purple. Deep dish wheels on the side too, man. I'm loving the M&S front grille. That entire front bumper is pretty insane. But he's got some camber in the rear too. I mean, look at the interior of this thing, dog. That's a freaking whip right there. The Homies Widebody 335i, absolutely crazy though. I mean, look at how this white sparkles in the sun. It's kind of like a pearl white, matte, sparkly type deal, but it's still sick as hell, man. And so we've got an R32 with an R34 front bumper. I mean, I'm still digging it, but isn't that like breaking bro code, dog? Would people not call that ricey? I don't care, but it's freaking Silvio. 240 is absolutely beautiful though. Absolutely crazy, man. And of course we got some more Z's coming down. Little G35 boy, the homie's Jenny. He finally got a replacement front bumper. That thing is looking absolutely wild though. I'm telling you, man, I feel everything here, man. These whips are crazy. But the team dilated R32 definitely makes you want to dream and do a lot more to the whip that you have if it doesn't look like that underneath the engine bay. I mean, come on though. Lime green, or well, really light yellow on this WRX. Absolutely wild. But we have the entire team dilated right here chilling, man, which is just wild. You know what I'm saying? These guys are everywhere. The homie Civic, absolutely crazy with a little cop light on top. I'm digging the purple hue, but of course a transparent hood, which is just wild, man. Repping the Dexter's Laboratory, of course. Lots of carbon fiber under there, in the fenders, in the rear, over fenders, in the rear. Thing is absolutely wild. You can't tell me that this whip isn't crazy, bro. But the question is, what do you guys think about this TRD right here, man? I'm loving the wrap on it too. My man inside is going ham. Dog, you have to be honest with me. You went TRD Camry as opposed to anything else. Right. Why is that, bro?
Reliability.
I got you. I got you. Yeah, man. This is what we have before we get the A90, the Supra.
Oh yeah. Super slow compared to Supra, dude. Yeah, super slow.
Hey, y'all make sure you check out my boy on IG right here, though.
Yes,
Of course, of course, of course. But the neon green and the black on this Beamer is definitely giving me Halo vibes, man. That thing is sick as hell. But when was the last time you saw an FD RX-7 sitting right next to a Veilslide RX-7, which is just crazy, dog. Fast and furious all the freaking way. That's crazy. Slammedenuff Myrtle Beach. Couldn't have been happier with the turnout. I had so much fun, bro. But definitely check out some TunerGodz merch below. Link is gonna be in the description. Support your boy. We're gonna wrap this up right here, so you already know. Peace, love, sleep, and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one. Cause I say, vlogs.
I say, fling it back on me. Got the body and do it on a beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup and never free. Girl, they looking at your eye, tell me, come now. She want love now.